In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove bots' emails in Klaviyo. If you have noticed bot-like email addresses showing up in your lists or segments, suppressing those members is a practical way to prevent them from receiving your future messages. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the exact clicks to suppress current members from the right list or segment inside Klaviyo. First, go to the left side panel in Klaviyo and click Audience. This is where you can manage your lists, segments, and related audience rules. When you click Audience, the main area of the screen should update and show options for how Klaviyo organizes audience groupings. Take a moment to make sure you are on the correct menu, because lists and segments live under this area. Next, click Lists and Segments. This is the section where you can find the list or segment that contains the bot emails you want to remove or block from receiving communication. After you click Lists and Segments, you should see a page or view that lets you browse existing lists and segments. Look for the search or scrolling area where your relevant list or segment names appear. Now locate the list or segment containing the bot emails. This is the most important part because suppressing the wrong group could affect the wrong subscribers. If you have multiple audiences, use the on-screen list to find the one that matches what you have been investigating. You may want to read the name carefully and confirm it aligns with the bot email addresses you are targeting. Once you find the correct list or segment, click the three dots next to the list or segment name. The three dots menu is where additional actions are available for that specific audience group. Click that icon and wait for the small menu to open. This menu is the gateway to suppression settings, so make sure you click the three dots that sit beside the exact list or segment you identified. After the menu opens, choose Suppress Current Members. This option tells Klaviyo to stop those existing members from being included in future sends. Suppressing current members is useful when bot signups have already landed in your audience and you want immediate protection going forward. When you click Suppress Current Members, pay attention to any confirmation prompts that appear on screen. Follow the prompt as needed so Klaviyo correctly applies the suppression to the current members in that audience. At this point, your bot emails are no longer treated as active recipients from that list or segment, which helps keep your communications clean and your metrics more accurate. It also reduces the chance that your campaigns are wasted on addresses that do not engage. After the action completes, you can return to the audience area to verify that the suppression has been applied. That is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.